Welcome. Now, that is from now today's class onwards, I do not know whether I am uploading in a single class or multiple classes. I may upload in multiple classes, still not decided, or I may record for a long time and upload single class also. You see later. I am going to give you exercises or what people call sometimes homework or problems for you to solve. We considered so many cases, lot of complications we considered. But sometimes that much complications are not required, either for academic purpose or for any competitive examination, or I told in structure engineering also. So what I will do now is, I will start. I think next question is 42. I write question number 42. That is coming up now. Coming up is question 42. All from here will be exercises. Question I will write here. Every class, throughout this class, if not today's class, if I upload in multiple number of times, maybe suppose I am not uploading single class, I will decide later. Then even for subsequent next class also, as long as exercises are there, this statement will be there. Those who find it difficult to understand, first go through what is told in the beginning of the class. I am telling now. My class is meant for those who are hardworking and show dedication and who are interested in learning. Not for those who suddenly come in between, see a class as a video. I never call my class as video. And then comment, this way, that way, this way, that way. Let them do it. I never bother about them. People who does not show dedication, I will never call them as my students. So they cannot learn everything from me. So what you do is, whatever I am solving now, everything is already over. So there is no explanation now. What I will do is question, neat sketch for division, mark the origin for x and y. See, every question from now onwards, see, I will mark origin here. Remember, bottom left corner O. I will take x this way, y this way. Okay. Now, I will give there A1, A2, A3, 1, 2, 3, 4 I will write. A1, A2, A3 I won't write. Area you cannot calculate means then why you are attending the classes. But I will write x1, x2 or y1, y2, that I will write. But remember, I will write answer. Maybe, suppose you want to get x1, your calculation is 15 plus 2/3 of 60. I won't write that way. I may tell it here. I will write 2/3 of 60, 20, 35 over. You should do it. See, when I enter the x1, x2, you should not copy that way. You should show the calculation for that one. That way, find it. Now, those who are serious can do one thing. You take the top right corner for origin once again. X this way, y this way. That solution I am not giving in the class. But how to check the answer means, see, by chance, see, if this distance is, say for example 400, then figure 1, if I get x1 equal to 150, suppose I get x2 equal to 280. When you take that origin, your x1 will come from 400, subtract, your x1 will come from 400, subtract it, 250, your x2 will come, 400 minus 280 is 120. Same way, suppose for this origin, I write y1 is 60, y2 is 150. Just imagine the total is 200. Just imagine 200. Then, when I took here, I will write y1 60, y2 150. Those who solve from there, how to check your y1, y2? If the y1 from here is 60, y1 from there, your y1 there, will be 200 minus 60 is 140. Your y2 will be 200 minus 150 is 50. It will come that way. So I don't have to tell. In my class, bottom left corner origin. Those who want, check from that side. Actually, if you do that way and check the answer, it is advantage for you. You are learning more. Okay, then this is one thing. After giving x1, x2, y1, y2, or x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, I will directly write here. Therefore, centroid is as shown below. Yes, I will explain up there, go there, pause, and then start next question. Every question, what I will do is, to save the time, I will do pre-calculation. See, I do not want to waste my time doing calculation in front of you. See, I prepared at least around some 10-15 questions I prepared now. So therefore, then as I require, I will prepare more questions. But x1, x2 all I will give you. Okay. So therefore, remember, anybody who find difficulty, he should see the statement. Then by curiosity, he will come to the beginning of the class. There, what I will tell, don't show interest. You are not showing dedication. You are just coming to a class without covering any previous classes. Go back, start from beginning, then come here. Not suddenly come here. My class is not an entertainment video. It is education video. It is education class. By mistake I told video. Because even if I tell class, YouTube uploading, it is called video only. Okay. It's an education class. So, therefore, if someone tells, randomly telling something without explaining anything, no problem. Let them tell. See, nothing will happen to me. Those who know me, they know how I take the classes. Okay, over. Now I will start marathon exercises one by one in order. Okay, I will write every question. I will write and explain. See, I told you should see this one. Anywhere confusion, what I told earlier. Locate centroid, 90, 120. This is called unequal angle, but of course, the thickness are different, that practically will not come. Okay, I will divide like this, 1 and 2. Okay, now, origin O here. x1, half of 120. x2, half of 10. y1, half of 12. y2, 12 plus half of 78. X bar, y bar, from here. If you do from that corner, x bar, y bar, centroid is here. That's all. Question number 42 over. Question number 43. 1 minute now. I noted down here. I will use it now. Instead of wasting time going in here. 150 by 100. No. 150. So question number 2 is. Where is the question? 150 by 115 by 10. Okay. I noted down 150. This way angle. This way 115. 150 by 115 by 10. Okay, done. $150, 115. Both are 10. Okay. Here. Answer is ready with me. I will divide like this. $115, then I will come down here. How much? This way. Out of scale. Okay, this is 115. Thickness is 10. This depth will be from 150, I will subtract 10, 140. This thickness is 10. 10, correct. Okay. I will take this as figure 1, this as figure 2. See, that is equally important. You should not change it. If you change it, this value will change. I will put x1, 5, half of 10, x2, 115 by 2, 57.5 over. From here, y1, I am not supposed to see, as usual, O here, this way x, I will not write next time, understood y. y1, x1 is 5, y1, correct answer. x1 is which one? 1. 1 is this one, 5 and 115 by 2, y1, 70. How? Half of 140. y2, 140 plus half of 10, 145 over. Now, enjoy the calculation. You will get the centroid. Answer is there. I note the answer from there. But I will put the sketch here. 150, 115, 10. Okay, done. Where is x bar, y bar? X bar is 28.676. 28.676. 28.676, and other one is 46.176. From here, 46.176. So from here it will be, where should I calculate? I already got it. 103.824. 103.824. I am not taking class by seeing a written statement. It is a prepared question by me. 86.324 from here. 86.324. Okay. This question over. This is centroid G. Now, question number 42, 43 over 44. 44 is, how I made it? 110 by 110 by 6. Okay. Equal angle. 110, 110, 6. So for unequal angle, is it this way? Okay. Whatever way. One ten, 6, 6. Okay, now divide. This way I will divide. A rectangle, then one more rectangle here. Okay, out of scale, little bigger requires. Okay, okay. Those things all never bother. Okay, this I will take 1, this I will take 2. Origin here, x, y. 110, this is 6, and this will be, from here to here is, from total 110 by 6 is 104. This is 104. 104 is correct. Why calculate it? 104. Okay. x1, half of 110, 55. x2, 110 minus 6 by 2, 107. See, 110 minus 6 by 2, 107. y1, 3. y2, 6 plus 104 by 2. 6 plus 104 by 2. 6 plus 104 divided by 2 is 58. 58. Then, therefore, start. Okay. Actually, something interesting is there. I will tell you here. I will tell you something interesting here. See, you write here. Something interesting I will tell at the end. See, you will get, as per my origin, you will get x bar, y bar. I will tell how much x bar, y bar will come. Where a calculation, x bar, y bar is 80.271, 80.271, and y bar I got 29.729. 29.729. Okay, now see correctly. From 110 this is 80.721. 271. Correct the confusion. 80.271. This is 29.729. Now, if you want from here, 110 minus 80.271 is 29.729. This is 29.729 from here. If you want from there, 110 minus 29.729 is 80.271. Okay, centroid G. Now, make a note. We actually wasted some time. You write the reason because 110, 110, 6, 6. How much is this way centroid, same way this way centroid? Or how much is this way centroid, same way this way centroid? Because both are equal, thickness equal. Therefore, x bar, y bar, both are not required. Only one of them is sufficient. One of them is sufficient. In other direction, directly, see, once you get 80.271, mark 29. From here, 29, 80. That way you can do it. Because it is equal angle. Okay, now, after this equal angle, 1 minute. I will go to question number 45. 45, be careful. Now I will give some other way. You should be very careful now. See. Okay. 150. This also 150. This is 10. This is 12. Okay, make a note. Now, very important note you have to write. This I have not calculated. I only put it. I solve the question here. 12. Now, this is, the two legs are equal, 150, 150. But unfortunately, this is 10, this is 12. Therefore, this question is not like last question. Last question, both are equal thickness. This way x bar equal to this way y bar, this way x bar equal to this way y bar. But this time, this way x bar, this way y bar, they will be different. So this time, make a note, x bar and y bar both required. Both required, even though the legs are same. So divide fast. 150, 12. 10. And this is 150, but it's not 150 because why? Little change is there. Okay, start. This is 150. This is 12. This is 10. This is 150 minus 12. Minus 12 is 138. 130. I will take this as 1. I need not use green color everywhere. Red color I put here. Not required now. This is 1. This is 2. G1, G2. I will put X1, X2, Y1, Y2. X1, X2, Y1, Y2. Origin here. Understood. Next time, even if I forget, it is like this only. Y. X1, 150 by 2, 75. X2, half of 10, 5. Y1, 12 by 2, 6. Y2, 12 plus 138 by 2. 12 plus 138, 12 plus 138 divided by 2 is 81. Okay, over. Now, final answer. Both are the thickness is different. This is little more thickness. Therefore, this time centroid will be more near to this side and less this side. Okay, start. Side I am not writing. I will calculate x bar, y bar. X bar equal to A1. 150 into 12. This is 150. 150 into 12 into 75 plus 138 into 10 into 5 divided by 150 into 12 plus 138 into 10. 44.623. 44.623. That is x bar. 44.623 is here. And I will do one thing now. Since I have not calculated earlier, I will check the answer. 150 into 12 into 75 plus 138 into 10 into bracket 150 minus 5 divided by bracket 150 into 12 plus 138 into 10. Calculate is not on. 150 into 12 into 75 plus 138 into 10 into bracket 150 minus 5 divided by 150 into 12 plus 138 into 10. 105.377. 105.377. Let me check it. 105.377 plus 44.623 is 150, correct. Y bar. 150 into 12 into 6 plus 138 into 10 into 81 divided by bracket 150 into 12 plus 138 into 10. 38.547, little closer. See, compare this one, little lesser. $38.547. 547 from here. If you want from there, minus 150 is 111.453. 453. This is centroid G. Okay. Enough number of angle sections are over. Question number 42, 43, 44, 45. Next is 46. Okay. I will prepare and explain. Now, T sections. Question 46 here, question 47 here. Both simultaneously I am giving because space problem. Okay, start. First, solve this question. Divide into rectangle. See, one rectangle here, one more rectangle here. Okay, now make a note. First of all, make a note. There is, see, you write the sketch, you write the sketch once again here and make a note. Before you start doing any calculation, see, this is axis of symmetry. So this way midpoint, therefore you require only y bar. X bar is not required, y bar required. Same thing here also. Later, okay, start now. This is 250, 16. See, this is 400, be careful. This is 400. So overall, you have to calculate. It will become 416. This thickness is 10. You need only figure number. I will give here. This I will call figure number 1. This I will call figure number 2. G1, G2. Now, only y bar required. X bar not required because if it is 250, you can make a note here. See, both will be 125, 125. That is half of 250. So now you don't call ABCD all. You take a baseline here, say AB line. From AB, you calculate y bar. Okay, I'll write here. Y1, half of 400, 200. Y2, 400 plus half of 16, 408, over question. Therefore, your final answer is 250 width, thickness is 16, then it will come this way, little deep here, okay, little lesser thickness, okay, out of scale, okay, over, sufficient, see. Your y bar will come, I noted the answer, 304 millimeter. See, it will come somewhere here, see, it will come somewhere here. From AB line, okay, AB all I will not write now. This is, how much I got? 304 I got, y bar. If you do from top, it will be 112. And this is your axis of symmetry, directly. If you want, both will be how much? 125, 125. See? 125, 125. This is centroid G. This T section, question 46 over. Come to question 47. 46 over. Okay. Come to question 47. 47. Inverted T section. Inverted T. Okay, no problem. Start here, somewhere here. How much thickness? 12. This is 20. And again make a note here, somewhere here. This is axis of symmetry. Therefore, only y bar required. X bar not required. You make a note. How many times I have to tell same thing again and again in the class. This width is 150. Now, this thickness is 20. Now they told overall 300. Be careful. They told overall 300. Therefore, this depth you have to calculate. It will be 280. Okay. Divide into parts. 1 and 2. G1, G2. So, Y1, Y2. Y1, half of 20, 10. Y2, 20 plus half of 280, 160. Over. Centroid will be how much I got? 89.245 from here. I got 89.245. This This is my answer. By chance, if any question answer is wrong, let me know it in the comment section. I will check it. 210 point, I am careful. 210.755. 210.755, and this way symmetry axis. If you want from here and here, both of them are 150/2, 75/75. Centroid is here. Question number 47 over. Next 48. Okay, I'll prepare it. Now, channel sections. I will give 4 channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, both are same. I have to turn it. Oh, sorry, this I have to turn it now. Actually, how I took it? I took other way. See, I should turn it. Okay, start one by one. See, you should know one thing, make a note. See, axis of symmetry. So, y bar not required, only x bar required. Axis of symmetry. Y bar not required, only x bar required. Axis of symmetry. X bar not required, only y bar required. Axis of symmetry. X bar not required, y bar required. Told many times. Start. So therefore, this question we need only x bar. See, divide into parts. I will take part 1, part 2, part 3, G1, G2, G3. I wrote x1, x2, x3. I located centroid. Okay, over. Question number 48 over. So simple. If I tell one word more, it will be insulting for so many people. They will tell, sir, what, sir? We don't know that much, you think? Okay, good. 49. See, it is divide this way. How much is all thickness 20? Be careful. All thickness are 20. When you divide, this is 100. They told this only 300. Okay, this is 10. How much? Not a 20. This is 20. This only they told 300. Okay, 300. This is 20. This width also 100. Equal, symmetrical. This also 100. G1, G2, G3. Take reference axis AB here. From here, do x calculation. x1, x2, x3. x1, 50. x2, 100 minus 10 is 90. x3, 50. Over. Final answer. See, so simple these questions. X bar, how much I got? I noted the answer there. 26 from this side. Okay. I did from that side. Y means it is my choice. How I do calculate, you never bother. Anyway, for you, from here, X bar will come 74. From there, it will be 26. And this is symmetry axis. Directly, see, not 300/2. 300 plus 20 plus 20 is 340 by 2, 170. Be careful. 170, 170. Centroid here. G. Question number, which one over? 49, 48 over, 49 over. This is 49. What I solved is 49 now. Now come to question number 50. See, some people will ask, who is taking his class? He is not teaching. Here. I told, see, in this world, each and everybody you cannot satisfy. How well you take the class, there are people who will comment. Okay. I will divide like this. 250, 10, then this is 8. 140 is there, 10 less. So this will be only 130. See? This is 8. This is 8. This is 130. Total you write 140. Bottom edge reference AB. This time you don't require X bar, you require Y bar. So figure number G1, G2, G3, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y1, 130 by 2, 65. Y3 also 65. Y2, 130 plus half of 10, 135. Over. Out of scale, I am not maintaining full scale. See, this is your symmetry axis. From here and here, both will be 125, 125. Not required to calculate. But Y bar, you will get from bottom. How much I got? 103.210. Okay. From here, you will get 103 point, see, forgot. 103.210. 210. Okay. From top, it will be 36.790. 36.790. Centroid G here. Last question. See, last question here, that is question 51. You only solve. You only solve. Answer. I'll give the answer here. How much? See, this is 80, this is 50. Then they told 10, 10, 10. All thickness are equal, 10. 10, 10, 10. One question you solve. If you cannot solve, what I can do? Answer. Direct answer. 40, 40. 17.5. 37.5. 32.5. Okay. 32.5. That is for the last question. Now 51 over 52 and 53 are I sections. 52 and 53 are I sections. I will prepare it. Remember, it will be unsymmetrical I section. Symmetrical I section means you don't have to take centroid. I don't waste time. Question number 52. Locate centroid. I section, of course, make a note, symmetrical about this axis, X bar not required, only Y bar required. I won't waste time. Okay. Divide 200 by 16, 180 by 40. They told this is 350. So total depth is 350 plus 16 plus 40. You get it. From bottom, Y1. 20, y 40 by 2, y2 40 plus 350 by 2, y3 40 plus 350 plus 16 by 2 or 406 minus 16 by 2. You will get y bar. From top you can calculate how. From total 406, subtract it. Correct answer. I got doubt now. Did I took 406? From 406, subtract 158.945. 247.055. Correct. Over. Now, question number 53. See, I section, I made a note there. See. Same way, this way. See here, be careful. This is 200. This also 200. This thickness is 8. And they will tell in the question now, overall depth is 300. 300. Now, suddenly what people will think, oh, this is a symmetrical section, therefore, y here? No, see, this thickness is 20, but this thickness is 10. So this will completely spoil the symmetry. So that, see, even though these two are equal, thickness is not equal. So you have to solve now. These all questions later we will go for moment of inertia. Okay, start. Over. Today's last question. 200 by 20. Little thinner. And then again 200. But this time thickness is 10. Okay, see, this is 200. This also 200. Same. Both are 200. This thickness is 20, but this thickness is 10. And they told total is 300. Be careful. Since they told total 300, this will be 270. 270 over. Take G1, G2, G3, 1, 2, 3. No color this time. From base reference AB, from here, go for y bar. I will tell y1, y2, y3 for you. y1, half of 10, 5. y2, 10 plus 270 by 2. Depending too much on calculator nowadays. 10 plus 270 by is 145, I think. 145. See, I know it is 145. Still doubt in the mind. y3, 10 plus 270, 280 plus another 10, 290 or 300 minus 10 by 20 by 2. Anything will do. Therefore, centroid will be answer. Over. Last today. 220. It's a thinner. This is 200. This is 8. This is 10. Little thicker than that one. Okay. This is 20. So we'll make it little more thicker. Okay. Done. Reasonably okay. Okay. Don't worry too much. You will get y bar 118.235 from top. It will come here. This will come 118.235. From here it will come 181 point. You get from here 765. Whereas y axis is exactly center. This is also 100, this is also 100. I forgot last time. See, last time question, I forgot now. Top width was, I forgot, I completely forgot it now. Okay. These are, see, last time question, I don't know, this top width how much? 250, I think. Then, if you mark here 250 by 2, Here this by 2, this by 2, here this by 2, this by 2, but here both are 200, so 200 by 2. Centroid G. Okay. 53 over. Now next question is 54. Next 54. I will wind up today sufficient and I will upload the class. I thought let me cover all. No, it will, lot of questions are there. Then editing problem and single class, if it is 3-4 hours, some will not go through, some will tell lengthy part. So cut is better. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.